So my office space has been in a mess for like, a couple of days now. I've just literally just thrown stuff around because I've been very busy and I barely have any time to even sit. But I've realized that this clutter is giving me some sort of, brain freeze, and it's not working. So I've decided that after I finished workout this morning, this is the first thing I'm going to do. So I'm showing you guys now so that you guys can hold me responsible. And then when I finish, I would show you guys, how I've arranged it. So I'm a paper person. This is how I function. I write on like things like this. This is what I like. You guys, I don't know if there's anybody else. So I start by writing on stuff like this. Then I move them into my journal or into my books that I use for different things. But this is how I start. And it just ends up being a mess. I won't even lie. So I'm basically just going to tidy up what is left of the things that are in here. And then work on the table. I have too many books. Too many. So I'm going to sort them out and throw some away. I'm just show that out. This is my novels. Put them in there. So guys, this is where we are right now. I have cleared up to some extent, and this is how it's looking now. I've cleared up all the things right there. I'm sure you guys remember from the first video I shared that all of this place was just, everything was just all over the place. So I still got all this much to tidy up. I'm just trying to finish it up, and I cannot wait to show you guys how this, finally pans out. So fingers crossed. I am working on finishing it up, and yeah. So let's get back to work. So guys, this is how far I've gone. If you guys can see my face. This is how far I've gone. I've tried to oh my god, it's a lot of work. So I've tried to sweep, kind of like over the floor, and cleaned up things. And then I'm also considering turning my table direction. I'm trying that out. If it works, I'll leave it this way, but if it doesn't, I'll move it back to where it used to be. And yeah, so I'm feeling that if I leave it in the middle, filming in this place will become a problem, because that means that I won't be able to film like full body videos. So I'm actually thinking I should just leave it back the way it was, so that I can have a lot of space on this one side where I film my like style videos. But aside from that, it's been going well, just that I'm tired. But I don't have a choice. I have to finish it. So I've just finished cleaning, and I'm going to start to move things back to where they were initially. I hope that everything works out well. And yeah, so guys, let's continue. So guys, like I said before, the way I wanted to place this table in the middle won't have worked. So now I've moved it back to where it was before. The only thing is that I removed what used to be in one corner there, and then I moved it to the extreme wall. And unfortunately, table used to be directly under this rack. Now it has moved away, and if I try to move this out of the rack now and move it here, it will just mess the wall, because that thing is put there with like small nails. So I'm just going to leave it and see how I feel about this for the next couple of days. But I'm just going to arrange and set up my table now and see how everything turns out. Yeah. So guys, this is basically how everything looks now. I'm just going to take you guys through. This is what the table looks like now, and the rack on the wall. I'm still taking that out, just showing you guys how far I've come with the arrangement. I'm taking the bags off the wall. So this is where we are right now. The bags are going off the wall. I'm still going to show you guys the final stuff when I'm totally done. So that's my light. I just wanted to show you guys the progress. This is where we are right now, and this is where we are right now. So I'm just finishing up all the last bits, just, you know, yeah.